how to connect Steam account to Faceit. So if you want to connect Steam account to Faceit, then just watch this video. Connecting these two accounts will enable you to seamlessly use your Steam profile on the Faceit platform, enhancing your gaming experience. So let's dive in. First, you need to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the faceit.com. If you don't have your Faceit account yet, you'll need to create one. But assuming you do, just go ahead and log into your existing account using your credentials. Or if you don't have your account, then you can log in with your Steam. You can go with login with your Steam. Make sure you remember your password or have it saved somewhere secure, as this will make the login process quicker and hassle-free. Once you log in, you'll be directed to the Faceit homepage. Here, locate your profile icon, commonly found in the upper right-hand corner. Click on your profile. Click on the icon to open up your drop-down menu where you will see various options related to your account. Now from this menu, you need to select the account settings. Just click on it. This is where you need to make your way in order to connect to Steam account. Now in the account settings page, you need to look for a section labeled integrations, which will be on the left side. Just click on it and you'll see a list of platforms that can be integrated with Faceit. Among these, you need to locate the Steam logo. This is typically listed under the gaming section or game platform. Once you've identified Steam, you will see a connection button right next to it. Click on connect to initiate the linking process between Faceit and Steam. Now a prompt should appear directing you to Steam's login page. Here you will need to enter your Steam account credentials to proceed. Simply log in as you normally would, taking care to use the correct username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be ready with your mobile device to enter the verification code. After successfully logging into your Steam, the next step is crucial. You'll be asked to grant permission from Faceit to access your Steam account. This is essential for the integration to work, so confidently click allow when prompted. By granting this permission, you are authorizing Faceit to pull necessary data from your Steam account, which will enhance your gaming profile on the Faceit platform. And there you have it. Your Steam account is now connected to Faceit, opening up a world of competitive gaming and enabling you to take advantage of all the features Faceit offers to enhance your gaming experience. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.